Hey everybody, what's going on? We're going to get iCast off with a bang for Shimano with doing our walkthroughs of new product. And I was very fortunate to get my hands on some of this new product, and one of them is going to be huge for the freshwater anglers, especially guys in that entry level to mid-level performance, what they're looking for in a new rod. SLX hit the market a few years ago, started with the reels, they came out with a rod, but the SLX series of rods have been reintroduced and redesigned. One thing you're going to notice when you see one is they are sexy. These new SLX rods have had a complete custom cosmetic overhaul, and I actually have them here so I can kind of show you. I'm a little cramped for space here, but this is what you're going to expect to see with the new SLX rods. You're going to see split grip in the conventional both casting and spinning with EVA foam handles. One thing you'll notice right away, laser etched into the back of the handle, and they actually spent some time reshaping the EVA foam grips on all these rods. They're super comfortable in your hand. Custom reel seats as usual, and even on the forecap, it's a carbon fiber look with a nice anodized blue ring. Really, really good looking rods, fit well in your hand, and feel incredibly good in your hand. The big thing to talk about though, the big change over the last ones, would be Diaflash Technology. Now Diaflash Technology is something new, but you've all heard of and seen both High Power X and Spiral X technology from Shimano's rods. Well, this is something completely new. It's called Diaflash. It's really, in my opinion, like Low Power X. So Diaflash is very similar to what you expect to see in High Power X, but it is done from the butt end of the rod to the first guide on the rod. And what it does is it really improves the rigidity and reduces twisting in that lower section of the rod when you're making those big moves like casting big baits or setting the hook or fighting a fish. This is really to improve durability of the blanks and reduce that twisting or reduce ovalization as well. So really a nice feature that has been upgraded from the previous generation of SLX. You can see on these as well, titanium oxide guide train on all of them. The balance is a lot better on these rods. So when you take a look at them, here's a spinning setup to show you an example. Casting and spinning, man, it is tight in here. Casting, spinning, and then there's also cranking and swim bait. The swim bait rods, you'll notice right away, big swim rods have full EVA foam, no split grip, and a larger foregrip section on them as well for two-handed casting of those bigger baits. Now, one thing I can tell you about these things are that there's 23 models from 6'9" all the way to 7'10" in length, from medium light all the way to heavy. So whether you're looking for a casting rod, a cranking rod, a swim bait rod, or a spinning setup to do a bunch of techniques, this new series of SLX rods with 23 models has you covered basically everywhere. The best part about the new SLX series is the MSRP. They start at $99.99 and go up to $109.99 for like the 7'10" heavy swim bait rod. So great value, perform well. I mean, a lot of bang for the buck. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. That is the new Shimano SLX rod series that has been reintroduced at 2022 iCast. They should be hitting the stores hopefully by the fall time. Really hoping we're going to start seeing a little bit of catch up on the supply chain issues that have been plaguing just about every industry for the last couple of years with this COVID. So hope to see them in stores in the fall. Talk to your local tackle stores, take a look. If you get a chance, put one in your hand. They are really, really nice rods, especially for the price that they're putting them on the market for. If you haven't, guys, do me a favor, click the subscribe button down below, post a like or click a like. And if you have a comment about them, if you have a favorite rod and you're wondering if it's there, we'll see if we can help you out and find out. We have a full list, and you can also go to fish.shimano.com to see all the features once they release them on their website. Talk to you soon. We'll see you for the next video.